What's good? It's Boons. Ended up getting a package today. It's not in the box, right here. Ended up getting it's a hand crank windshield wiper for the Argo. So I'm going to show everybody today how to install a hand crank windshield wiper on a side-by-side. No, it's not on yet. Still have to do some customizing because it bottoms out right here. That's the smallest wiper blade you can get. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my arm, shorten it by an inch, weld it back together. Usually she wants an extra inch, but I got to get rid of an inch today. Just have to shorten my arm, so let's get the welder out, keep the GoPro away from it. Let's customize this arm so it fits the Argo good. One thing I can do before I start welding or customizing the arm up is permanently mounting. It's just a little rod that goes through that attaches this, and there's like a collar inside your windshield. So I'm going to put Loctite on this, make sure this never comes apart again, and that it's all nice and solid. Work smarter, not harder. It's always the way to work. My plan is to keep the nut all the way at the end of the collar on this side. Then I'll put the juice on. Slap her up good. I'll be happy with that. Right on. Got those pieces all filed down a little bit, so it's a nice clean weld when I go to marry her back together. So let's use the power of electricity and zip this back together. Strong that way, boy. So that's the way it kind of looked before. Just going to install it, then we can always paint it at a later date. Right on, that didn't pan out too bad. For the $15 I paid, I didn't mind doing a little customization for it. But when I spent $400 on the wiper, there's no way I would have done this. I'm really happy the way this turned out. That's strong. I won't let go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good one.